All right, here we got a AGT mini skid steer loader. It's got hydraulics auxiliary on the front. This is new, unused. Got a ton of pictures you can see. We'll do a quick little walk around here, fire it up for you and show you how it drives. There's the controls. That's pretty much the size of it. Let me fire it up and I'll move it backwards and forward, and that'll be that.